Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best stone chisels that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the TZDTMEOS 4PCS Geology Rock Pick Hammer Kit. If you're a beginner or a budding rock hound, the Geology Rock Pick Hammer Kit 4PCS could be your perfect companion. This set includes a robust 32 ounces rock hammer crafted from chrome vanadium steel, ensuring long-lasting durability. The drop-forged, one-piece construction offers maximum strength for rock hounding, gold mining, and stone breaking. Safety is prioritized with anti-fog goggles and a chisel with a hand guard. You'll also appreciate the 10x jewelry magnifier, perfect for examining rocks and gemstones. Reviewers rave about its quality and portability, making it an ideal gift. However, be mindful of some feedback on tool durability. Moving on at number 4, we have the HORUSDY 3-piece heavy-duty cold Chise. The HORUSDY 3-piece heavy-duty cold chisel set is perfect for those who need reliable tools for tough jobs. Made from chrome vanadium steel, these chisels boast a hardness of 5458 HRC, ensuring durability and precision. Whether you're cutting rivets or shaping steel, their heat-treated design prevents rapid wear. Users appreciate the chisel's sharpness and value, noting they don't break or bend easily, even on tough materials like rock. Despite being smaller than expected, they deliver outstanding performance. While some wish for a handle, the bare metal design's quality and durability make them a solid addition to any toolkit. At number 3, we have the ValueMax 3-piece heavy-duty cold Chise. Looking for a versatile chisel set that combines durability with cutting efficiency? The ValueMax 3-piece heavy-duty cold chisel set is just what you need. Made from chrome vanadium steel, these chisels boast heat-treated, drop-forged construction, ensuring edge hardness of 58 to 60 HRC for tackling tough materials like stone, metal, and wood. With dimensions ranging from 3/8 to 5/8 inches, they're perfect for cutting rivets, removing slag, and more. Weighing only 12.3 ounces, they're lightweight yet robust. Ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and pros, this set has a 4.4 star rating, proving its effectiveness in various applications. At number 2, we have the Mayhew Select 35102 3.5 by 7 inch carded. For those tackling masonry tasks, the Mayhew Select 35102 3.5 by 7 inch carded mason chisel stands out with its 3/1/2 inch blade width, making it a versatile tool for precise cuts and scores. Made in the USA with a shot-blasted finish, this chisel is ideal for dismantling projects like a 12-inch block chimney or demolishing ceramic tiles and underlayment by hand. While some users praise its performance and value, others report concerns about durability and the blade not aligning squarely with the shaft. However, a solid warranty offers peace of mind, ensuring you're covered if issues arise. And finally, at number 1, we have the KURUI 3-pound Sledge Hammer and Flat Chisel. Consider the KURUI 3-pound Sledge Hammer and Flat Chisel with hand protection if you're seeking a robust toolset for heavy-duty tasks. Made from premium high-carbon steel, this set is perfect for tackling tile, rock, masonry, and more. The sledgehammer's anti-slip 14-inch handle with a glass fiber bar minimizes shock, while the 3-pound head guarantees balance. The chisel's sharp flat head and wide handguard enhance safety and efficiency on materials like marble and concrete. Rated 4.6 out of 5 by satisfied users, it's versatile for geological prospecting and garden repairs. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-month hassle-free return policy. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.